Rafi, put your hand back on the steering wheel.
No, it's my
God. God. Hey guys, Tina, Flo. Hey guys, Tina from Hangry by Nature here, and Flo and Rafi, and we are at Disneyland Paris for the 30th anniversary. We're so excited to be here, and we want to get you inside to have a look at what the 30th anniversary contains. Make sure you guys stick around to the end to see the spectacular 30th anniversary Disneyland Paris show. Let's go. What did you say, Rap?
One piece.
One piece? Luffy? Luffy, are you there? So normally you can go on Captain Jack Sparrow's ship, Black Pearl, but it's closed. Anyway, we'll just admire it from the outside.
Regardez en les house. Plutôt stupide pour un pirate de laisser autant d'or caché ici et dans tous les coins.
Yay! Peter Pan! Oh, it's Peter Pan and Captain Hook fighting!
You know what was really cool about that ride? It actually felt like you were flying. Boys, did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, sweet. What are we on to next?
We are going to the Star Wars ride, I think.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh my god, we just got out of the hyperspace ride. My head is still spinning. How are you, Flo?
My head hurts.
Your head hurts? But was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I wanna do
man, that was
again.
insane fun. Disneyland has been so nice. Everything is done so nice. Even the ducks look so nice here.
Hello, man.
Look at them. They look beautiful, like perfect. Are you part of Disneyland?
Goodbye, man.
As part of the 30th anniversary special, they have made an amazing selection of yummy treats. Check out these beauties. They're scattered all over Disneyland Paris, so keep an eye out for them. We have a crazy Asian driver, Rafi. Rafi, put your hand back on the steering wheel.
No, it's my
God.
Concentrate on those robots.
Please face forward and sit back and
Who's gonna get a high score this time? Hey! Oh, two wraps! Wow! I skipped it, I didn't film it. No, I didn't have enough time.
I scored 2 million on that.
Oh, if it's not on camera, it's fake news.
Oh
Sorry.
You are fake news.
Cowboy Bebop.
Man, even the inside of like the restaurants are so well decorated. It just feels like really immersive. Like right now, I'm in some diner in the Wild Wild West, but apparently all of the restaurants are like this, really well done. So we're gonna have a look at some more later when we get the munchies.
Later.
Oh, the food looks pretty decent here. Got some barbecue chicken here. Got like a cheeseburger with chips. And I've gone the salad choice. Alright guys, go give cuddle. Oh. Bye. but I think I'll be okay. According to Tina.
I'll hold your hand.
Thank you. I need it. I'll be throwing you in front of me for the ghosts.
Oh my god. I'm leaving Andy behind.
Okay, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
Scary. What do you mean you're not ready?
I'm not ready for anything.
We got Flo over here that won't let go of my arm. Won't let go. Hold my arm. Oh wow, look at this. It's so cool.
That's crazy.
That is some cool effects right here. Well, I think you closed your eyes through most of that flow.
Yes. Well, at least not the end.
Alright boys, we've discovered the Excalibur. Sword stuck in the stone.
Sorry, better luck next time.
I thought it was the king. I seriously thought it was me.
Let's go continue on our peasant lives.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, when we were there, the merchandise wasn't in store yet. However, check out these special 30th anniversary selections available. Oh, I want Mickey and Minnie in their 30th anniversary outfits. So cute.
What have you guys got there?
Green.
Mini Grinch.
That's the 30th anniversary Disneyland Paris parade that you gotta check out when you're here, and they're all characters dressed in their new outfits.
It's nighttime now, guys, and it's almost 7:20, and we're gonna go check out the new illumination show by the Disney Castle.
I swear, Disneyland night shows are the
Oh,
best.
yeah.
The best. I can't wait.
Let's
go
check it out. Let's go. Whoa, look at that. That is amazing, Airplay. So nice. There are so many people waiting for the show. This is crazy.
Hello, guys.
Hello. Just prepping some sushi while we're in this beautiful cabin.
Yes.
I see we're recreating some Japan Shinkansen vibes.
Yes.
Yeah. We managed to snag a whole cabin in first class to ourselves thanks to Klook and Uriel, and we're trying to recreate some Japan vibes by getting some sushi, make it feel like we're on the Shinkansen, kind of, but in Germany, just because we miss Japan, but yeah. Big thanks to Klook and Uriel for making this trip possible. If you guys didn't know, you can get Uriel passes via Klook, and it's super easy and a smooth process, and everything is mobile, so no more paper tickets. Everything is done from the Uriel and Klook app, and it's easy to book. We got the Uriel Global Pass, which is all the Uriel participating countries, but you can also get country-specific passes for train travel if you're only planning to stay in one place. That was truly a magical, magical day. Thank you so much to Klook and Disneyland for having us here. This is a day we'll never forget. Anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe to the video, give it a like if you enjoyed it, and be sure to visit Disney on its 30th anniversary in Paris. Plan for it this year sometime. Anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.